Tuatahi ki te karere kātahi anō ka puta mai. E whakahau ana te kōti teitei i te kāwanatanga kia arotake anō i tōna hiahia kia hoko atu i ngā pāmu Crayfer ki tētahi rangapū no Haina. Anei ngā whakaaro o ngā rōpū tōrangapū matua o te whare pāremata me tētahi o ngā māngai Māori o te kāhui o tā Michael Fay.
You know, we're over the moon about the decision, and until we know the full details of what the court has upheld, probably in our situation, it's the only outcome that we could really expect, because other than that, we would have had no show of trying to get our land back any other way.
I know that we're in receipt of it, and the Crown Law lawyers and the Overseas Investment Office are looking at that now, and we can make no further comment until I get advice from them on that.
I mean, the government follows the procedure very carefully, which is Section 16 and 18 of the Overseas Investment Act have to be complied with. If they are complied with, then ministers have very limited options to decline an application. The question is whether the Overseas Investment Office correctly interpreted the benefits test in one of those two sections. So it's really not a matter for the government, it's a matter for whether the Overseas Investment Office is correctly interpreting the law.
At the moment, you've got the ingredients of social unrest if these sorts of things are allowed to happen. And I think that Kiwis have already spoken, they've said their piece on it. I don't think by the government forcing these issues on, carrying on with negotiations is in the best interest of us all. That can only inflame the situation. We want to see the end to all sales of land to overseas investment.
Hoi anora, rari pai te whare pāremata i te ahiahi nei i te putanga mai o te whakatau a te kōti teitei, e pāna ki te hokotanga atu o ngā pāmu Crayfer. Hei tā te kōti me arotake me whakaaro ake anō te kāwanatanga i taua hoko. Kei te wero te kaiarahi o Reipa, a David Shearer, i te ngā kaupono o ngā minita i whakai ki taua hoko. Hei tāna, nā tēnei whakatau a te kōti, kua kitea ngā he.
How can the Prime Minister have confidence in the Minister of Land Information and the Associate Minister of Finance, given that the decision to sell Crayfer Farms to Shanghai Pengjing was just being set aside in the High Court?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr Speaker, it's important to understand the role of ministers, which is to follow the law and the interpretation of the law. All I can say at this point is that the interpretation given to the Overseas Investment Office by their own internal counsel of the way that they would interpret the law is clearly different to the way the judge sees things.
The Right Honourable Winston Peters.
How did the Prime Minister arrive at the view that his two ministers had no discretion at all to exercise and were required to merely endorse the view of the Overseas Investment Office?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Because it may come as a novelty, but they need to follow the law. And the law states that sections 16 and 18, if they want to have a different opinion, they need to give that opinion.